In this video, I'm going to share with you how we're going to make a chatbot in Telegram, and then link to Message2u so that we can automate our Telegram customer service team. In this infographic step, first we just need to log into Message2u, and then create a bot in Telegram, then put this API key into Message2u. That's it. After log into Message2u account, the next step is to find Telegram under Channels section, and then click Connect button. After that, the system asks to find the bot father in Telegram, then make a new bot, and finally put the bot token in this location. Next, open Telegram, then type bot father in the search position on the left, and after seeing the icon come out, select bot father. After that, type /newbot, a backslash and then newbot in the message position, and click enter. Next, give your new bot a name, for example, Message2u Demo, and then click enter. The next step is to copy the name of the bot, then add a _bot at the end of the name, and press enter again. Come to this step, put the copied API key into this location, and then press continue. When you see this screen, you have successfully added Telegram bot to the backend of Message2u. Okay, see you in the next video.